the party. The sound, the vibe.
And welcome back for another video. The video today is on the 101, the FTDX 101D, and it's the processing settings for your microphone. It'll do for any microphone. This I use the actual headset from Heil, the Heil Pro 6 set. I just prefer using headsets, but it'll work on any microphone. So what we'll do, we'll have a quick look at the radio, and these are my settings, and trust me, the audio sounds good. So anyhow, I'll just turn the camera around. So what you need to do is make sure your transmit bandwidth is 200 to 208 Hertz. That's the first setting to go. Let's just get a zoom in on this actually. That's better. Yeah, it's a new camera, so I'm learning this particular camera. So next, we'll go back out, go to function, and as you can see, the mic equalizer there is turned on. Make sure your mic equalizer is turned on, because it's off by default. When you buy the new radio, it's off. Let's just go back out for 1 second, and this is my my mic gain is set at 48 and my processor's set at 48. Just show you. So go back in. Hang on, I've done a screenshot. So go back in, and what we need to do now is go into operating settings, TX audio, and we'll go down from the top. And this is just the normal frequencies. You need to go down to P EQ settings. So this is your normal rag tune stuff. You're just on a net, so you don't need well, you're just having a net radio on normal. And now we're getting down to the parametric EQ. Just go up one more. So you set the parametric EQ frequency to 400 Hertz. EQ1 level to -10. 2, and then you go down to parametric frequencies 1400 Hertz. EQ2 7. EQ bandwidth 0. Parametric EQ3 26 Hertz. Parametric level 3 10, and 0 on the bottom one. So that's the settings. So if you're watching this video and you're trying to suss out what to do, just pause this video. I've put this video on a couple of other videos, like me tips and tricks, so you can get the bandwidth to 4K. I'll put a link down below to that video. That's a good watch actually. I think that's the most watched video that I've actually put up. But yeah, you can change your transmit bandwidth to 4K. If you're into video audio and stuff like that. Personally, I'm not. So anyway, I hope that's been in some help to somebody. And if you've got the new radio, you're trying to suss out the parametric EQs, that are the settings. Like I said, just pause the video, put it into the radio, and I don't think you'll have any complaints. I've never had a complaint about my audio. In fact, the opposite. They always say I sound good. So there we go. So I'll send 7.3 for now. Hope that's been some help to somebody. And we'll catch you in the next one. G0 DTX.
I'm only here for the party.